Welcome to Java Forum. Now I'm going to show you how to build Apache Ant 1.10 from source code using Jenkins and Apache Ant 1.10 without any source code repository. That is, we are going to build the source code in local directory. So here you can see that I already downloaded Apache Ant 1.10.13 source code as a zip file. So now I'm going to create one new project. So new freestyle project in Jenkins. So I'm giving some name to the freestyle project. Click OK button. So freestyle project is created. Now let us configure the freestyle project. So JDK. So JDK 11 I'm going to use. Under source code management, I am going to select the option none. So source code management, I'm going to select the option none because I'm going to build the source code in directory. I am not going to use Git or Subversion. Next, under build environment, I'm selecting with Ant and Ant version. I'm selecting Ant 1.10. JDK I'm selecting as JDK 11. Next, build steps. Invoke Ant. That's it. So build invoke Ant. So Ant version, I am selecting Ant 1.10. Save the project. Okay. So now I am going to click the link build now. Okay. So this will build the empty project. That is, without source code, the project will get built. Why I am doing, because this will create one workspace folder, one folder in workspace. So you can see that one folder is created under workspace folder. So I am copying the directory path, that workspace directory path. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to extract this Apache Ant 1.10 source code zip file to the workspace folder. So now let me go to source code directory. Let me extract the Apache Ant source code directory to workspace folder. Workspace folder created in workspace by Jenkins. Okay, so I extracted the content. So you can see that build.xml is there. So build.xml is a basic building block for Ant project. Contains Ant task and targets. Okay, coming back to Jenkins, I am clicking the link build now. So what will happen? Jenkins will automatically pick up the build.xml inside the directory and start building the source code. See here, build.xml is got automatically picked and Ant 1.10 source code is getting built. So build is successful. You can see that Ant binaries are get created. So in left hand side you can see that executed Ant targets. So these are the Ant targets got executed. So you can either browse the workspace or you can either check the workspace directory for the build output. So in build directory you can see the Apache Ant or dist directory. So in dist directory you can see the Apache Ant distribution is available. So finally we built Apache Ant 1.10 in Jenkins using Apache 1.10. Make sure that you have internet connection in order to download any jar files. So you can browse the workspace to download the binaries or jar files. Okay. So binaries are available in dist directory, dist folder.